I want to make a quick video on this Arctic 90. Obviously it's been ridden really hard and put away wet, and it's completely tore up. Somebody's butchered the wiring harness. There's no bushings at all, but the reason why I want to make the video is here's the stock carburetor that came with this mess, and here's the beat up cable. And as you can see, it had the oil injection that somebody just cut the cable off of and deleted it, and this is what I got with for a carburetor. Wasn't a lot left. I didn't have the bowl to float. The electric choke unit that was wired in from the factory is completely gone out of the harness. So I put a different carburetor on it, actually one off Amazon. And it's that KIPA. It's got a manual choke up over here. You got your typical stuff. And I kind of had to make a new throttle cable. I grabbed one off of a 110 pit bike, like an ATV 110. And I just had to shorten this part of the cable just a little bit to give me a little bit more inner cable. But man, it runs really good. Like one kick. It runs way better than they ever did stock. I can't show you the electric start because somebody put a block off plate and took all that stuff out, but I'll put a link to that carburetor, or maybe I'll just put a screenshot of it so you can see it, of what it is on Amazon. But yeah, I mean, manual choke on these things is way better. Hope this video helps you guys. Have a good one.